Hello. Hey, hi everyone. Welcome back to the next session of SAP ABAP on HANA training series. Thank you for choosing JK tutorial. So in the last session, we have discussed about information models. So here you will see we have discussed about analytic views, attribute views. So today we will see about calculation views. Okay. So with this attribute view, it's just hiding the complexity of a query. So these all type of views are completely non-technical. If a guy from non-technical background wants to create these type of views, then he or she can create it easily. Okay. So if I will come back, so we have already discussed about what are the type of joins. So there are a type of join, text join, inner join, differential join, left outer join, right outer join, temporal join, spatial join, and star join. Okay. So if I will move next, so it's already, so there is one important question, what is the difference between referential join and inner join? So referential, here inner join will have, in context of HANA, inner join is guaranteed. So inner join is a guaranteed join and referential join is not guaranteed. So it's going to compare two table based on the join condition. So inner join will pass the data based on the join condition, whereas a referential join is a smart inner join where the join will applied or not at the runtime. It depends on select query you pass. So whatever the select query you pass, it will fetch the data based on that. Okay. In the last session, we have discussed about analytics view where okay, it depends on star schema modeling, and in analytics view, it's mandatory to mark at least one major key. Okay, and in an attribute view, it's mandatory to mark one field as a column. Okay, so today we will see about this. Before that calculation, we will see about what is the stack table and dimension table. So fact table and dimension table are both important components of data warehouse schema. Okay, so fact table, what is the stack table? Simply in simple words, if you will learn, fact table contains the numerical data, whereas dimension table provides context and background information. Means it will give us the background information. Okay, so then comes up with the calculation. What is the calculation view? It's same powerful information view. So in analytics view can be measured from at only one fact table. Where when there is a need of fact table in information view, then calculation view is used. Means in analytics view, measure can we can select measure from only one fact table. Okay, but in this calculation view, we can select it from multiple tables. Calculation view supports complex calculations. If there will be some requirement of complex calculations, then we can go for the calculation view. The data foundation of the calculation view can include tables, column view, analytics view, and calculation view. Okay, we can create joins, unions, aggregations, and projections on the data source. I will show you all of those terminology. How can we create this? So calculation view can contain multiple pages and can be used for multi-dimensional reporting. Okay. So there are two types of calculation views. One is graphical calculation view and another is SQL calculation view. So we will discuss in this course only about graphical calculation view. In analytics, in analytics view, we can select a measure from only one table, as I have shown you here already. In analytics view, we can select measure only from one measure. But here in calculation view, when there is a requirement of selecting multiple uh, measure column, then we can go for the by calculation view. We can achieve this. Okay. So in this case, we can use different analytic view for each table and join them in a calculation view. So is this clear, guys? Calculation view is clear. So let's start the demo. So let me log into the system. Give me a moment. Second. So this is my MongoDB. Go to SAP HANA Studio. It's opening. Right. Yes. Let's start. Yeah. Just click on HTTP and sorry. Log into the system, go there, go to the content. What is this content? It will contain all the packages. Okay. So it is my package. It is my package HANA Development GK. Right click on the right click there. Okay. New calculation. Okay. Select the calculation view. Sales report. Okay. Select this. So I told you that the types of calculation graphical and visual skill. We will go for graphical. Just click on finish. Okay, so you can see this is my IC calculation view. I can do all of those. So what are these terminologies are? So first is join. Okay, so what is this join is guys? So join this node is used to join two source objects. We can join the two objects from this join and pass the result to the next node. This join can be of type, can be of inner join type, inner join, left outer join, out outer join, or text join. Is it clear? And the second is union. What is this union is? This is used to perform union or operations between multiple sources. So the data we are fetching from multiple sources, we will go with union. So the source can be n number of objects. So in union there can be n number of source. In join there can be only two source objects for to a join now. Okay. Then the third is projection. What is this projection is? This is used to select columns, filter the data, and create additional columns before we use it to the next node, like a union, aggregation, and rank. And in the projection, we can add only one source object at a time. Okay, so we can directly drag and drop over here. What is this aggregation is? So this is used to perform aggregations on specific columns based on selected attributes. Okay, and the last is pair rank. So this is exact replacement of rank function in SQL. We can define the partition and order by clause based on the requirement. Okay, so let's start our demo. It will be a very like normal demo. We will see here. Okay, so 1 second. Yeah, what we need to do is okay, just press drag and drop here. This is my projection first. Okay. If I want to add the here, add the table. For example, I will add the PBI at this time. Click on OK. Okay. Add some fields from here. Okay, guys. Okay. Add VBL. Yeah, the and something else. PPTIP. Okay. Add the fields whichever you want to add. Okay. Add this. Network is important. You already add this also. Okay. Generate this network plan organization. Okay. This is all we have added this fields. Okay. Give the name here. Select this view name. Projection one. Sales. Address. Okay. Drag and drop projection. Select here. Convert sample. BAP. Select this. Click on OK. Okay. Now select the fields from the VBA table. Okay. And one more thing we forgot here at the customer field also. Okay. We will find out that too. Okay. So this is my second projection. I will do is I will select the fields from here also. Okay. So there output to output national to output add some of the fields whichever you want to add. Okay, add all of these fields. Yeah. So this is my sales item. This is my sales item. Okay, take this out. Now we want to have to make the relationship between the both. So what I told you to join this, I will go there and I will join the condition. Here I will go. Nothing, we don't have to do anything. Okay, once again, drag and drop this, make the relation. Okay, like this, like this. Select this, select the data, move it here. Okay, make the relation between both. Which is the relation we want to make it with VBLN. I want to see give the join condition. Let's give the inner join. 1:n. Click on OK. Okay. This is what we have created. Now select the field for the output. If I want to select all the fields, right click, add all to output, right click, add all to output. Okay. If you want to remove some fields, I will remove something as MNG2 from here. Okay. And I will remove VBLN we have already selected. So delete this. Okay. Also, okay, that's all. Select save this. Okay, so in this joint condition, we have all of these details, common data. Now, if I want to select the paste the more data, if I want to select the customer details also, I will go there, click on add. Okay, add symbol. For example, I want to fetch the data from KNA1. Okay, I will select here as KNA1. Click on OK. Okay, select this. Okay, select the field which you want to select. Add to output, I will select the region. That's all. Now I want to fetch the data from both of these first sales details and the customer detail. What I will do is I will drag and drop this join again here. I will make the condition. How? Select it and I will select. So this is how we can create the relation between them. Yeah. Okay. So this is my join 2. Now what I will do is I will make the relation between both. So here I selected KU and somewhere else. Here I have selected this. Drag and drop this there. Customer details, I want single, left outer join, and raised to 1. Click on OK. Okay. Add all to output. Right click. Add all to output. What we need to remove here? We have already selected KU and NR. Remove the KU and NR. Okay. Remove. Okay. Click on yes. Okay, guys. So we have fetched the sales detail according to the customer. Now, if I want to fetch the material details also, what I can do is again I will just nothing, guys. We don't have to do too much work here. Just again select drag and drop this one more projection here. Okay. Here I will what I will do is I will select the Mara table. Click on OK. Okay. Okay. So yeah. So what I will do is I will give the name as material. Okay, one second. I will give this name as a, I will click projection to give the name as material details. Select the fields from here to output. To output add some more for MTRT, material type. Okay, that's all. Selected this. Now, okay, now make a join. Here I will go. I'll make a relation between both. Drag here. Again replace. Okay. And the join three. You can see the relation. Magna is there, yeah? Magna is there, yeah. Select this. Make the relation. Double click on this. Okay. Click on OK. Okay. So that's all we have updated till here. I will select some of the fields to the output. Add all to output. Okay. And from here, if I will go is add all to output. Just remove something is common. Yes, material number is common here. Right click, remove. Yes. Now make a join between them. Second, select this. Okay. Click here, right click, add all to output. Okay. Save this. If I will go to semantics, there is one more option, which is auto assign. Click on auto assign. Okay, it's already assigned here. Okay. Look, we are having two major fields here. Okay, but in analytics view, we are having only one major field. Click on semantics, go to view properties, select here as close client, save this, check this, whether there is some errors here. No errors found, so I can activate. Okay, click on data preview, show data. So guys, we attach the data based on these details from the multiple table. Okay, this is what we need. Yeah, that's all for this calculation views. Just try all of these views once, okay? And we will see. Okay, this calculation view, analytics view, and attribute view. Okay, so we have discussed about type of joins also. Yeah. Okay, then that's all for this session. Till the next session, guys. We will pick up the next serious views in our next topic. Okay, and we will see all of them. Yeah, that's all for this session. Thank you so much. Have a good day. Bye.